Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? It is your boy, that boy Chance. We are back with another video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as y'all can see, it is raining, but just look at this beautiful view, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that shit hard. But yeah, man, it is raining, and yeah, finna do a little POV for y'all in the rain, a little sliding for y'all, man. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get straight into it. We can slide right here since ain't nobody in the little parking lot. And turn around, make sure ain't nobody come. Hell yeah, we good. Bucking that bitch, man. But yeah, man, we finna go and get into it, bro. I gotta be a little careful around here too, cause my city floods really bad, and there are some places where it's like flooded and trees are falling. So yeah, we ain't gonna go too crazy, but we gonna go crazy, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully this big ass parking lot open up here. Maybe we can go in there. Nah, that bitch closed down. I would go open that shit right there, but I ain't trying to get trespassing. It's all good. We're gonna find somewhere, y'all. I hope y'all can hear these pops, bro. My shit ain't that loud right now, so I probably can't. Can't wait to cut my mufflers off though. That bitch gonna be crazy. Y'all want me to do some stupid shit in front of the police department? I would slide this bitch right here, but nah. I ain't finna get my ass put in jail. I'm not even that experienced sliding. Don't get fucked up. Y'all see that shit over there already fucked up. I'll slide this bit right here, huh? Damn, I can't wait till that pop get louder, bro. Damn. That bitch gonna jerk your ass too. Damn, man, we need some more flood pumps or something. Should I hit 100 in the rain, y'all? 100 in the rain? Y'all saying yeah? Okay, bet. Alright, that's all I'm doing. That shit dangerous. You hit one bump while you going 100. Well, not one bump, but like one water puddle. Bro, you basically dead. Unless you got God on your side for real. You going straight into some trees. coming down here. I'm finna show y'all how to slide this bit, bro. Finna show y'all how to slide this bit. Super easy. Damn! Almost hit that bird. That shit crazy. So, we got traction off already, right? We're gonna put that bit in 1. Or you can put that bit in 2 if you wanna go wide. Then you're gonna burn out. Burn out, right? You burn out, turn that bit. Let go. Pat that gas. Just do this. This is all you doing. Oh, I forgot to shoot. I'm gonna blow my engine up, y'all. Hold on. We're gonna do that bit right here. We finna blow the car up, y'all. Tripping. Burn out. Go. Just like that. Now you done. That easy, man. Nah, we ain't gonna jet out that bit this time because I forgot to ship that bit last time. But yeah, man, that easy. I'm gonna fuck around and hit one of them birds one day, bro. Them hoes don't wanna move. Them hoes do not wanna move, man. But yeah, that bit that easy. I might name this video how to slide a 5th gen Camaro, so I can show y'all how easy it is, bro. YouTube, the GoPro got too hot and had to cut off, man. So yeah, we're here. So I'm gonna do one more, then we're gonna end this video off because the cops do be over here, so I gotta be a little careful. Hey, y'all, like I was saying, the GoPro keep cutting off, man. So yeah, we just gonna go ahead and end the video off, man. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I don't know what it's gonna be called. It might be called Rain POV. It might be called How to Slide a 5th Gen SS, How to Slide a Camaro SS. Either one, but yeah, if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And it is your boy, that boy Jens, and we are out. Peace.
Understand how I feel on the rail, that's me. Body harder than some still, how I live, gotta be. Oh my God, I gotta live, no I can't, it's on the beat. Bye, have a great time.